Maruf Hasnat. Hope that you are all fine by the grace of Almighty. So after a long time, I came up with a video on my recent project, which is cargo booking system, and this whole project is made by me. So now I'm going to explain the project. So here I can see a simple website which can be seen by a customer or user. Then if I click on pricing, then I can see the price of the service, cargo service, and here I can see the total price based on basic price, weight price and volume price. And if I click on about us, then I can see the about us part of our project, and as it was a group project, so I include my other group members also. And if I click contact us, then I can see a form. Without login, we can give the feedback by this form. So if I fill up all the fields of this form, then I can give the feedback on this system. And if I click on send message, then I can see a successful message that thank you for your valuable feedback. And if I want to order a cargo or book a cargo, then I need to log in into the system. And if I didn't register first, then I cannot log in here. So let's create a account first. So and the whole form is validated, and if I go to email address, it requires a unique mail, which means that we need to register with a email which are not stored already into the system. For example, if I give a mail which is already used for registering, then it will not work, and the number should be 11 digits number. Without that, it will not take the number, and password need to be more than 5 characters. If I click on now register, here you can see that this email already exists. That means that we need to register with a unique mail. And password and retype password need to be matched, otherwise it will show it out. Now if I click on register, then I can see successful message, registration successfully happened. Now if I go to login and now try to log in into the system as a customer, for example, if I give here wrong password and try to log in, then it will say that invalid password. Now if I give right password and try to log in, and here I can see my profile, change password, order cargo, my order, track order, this part of a customer. If I click on my profile and try to update anything, suppose I want to update my city name, and if I click on update profile updated successfully. And if I want, I can also change password. Now if I click on order cargo, then here there will be option for ordering a cargo. Here I am giving the information. Here I need to give the receiver information. Here I need to give the weight of the cargo and also the necessary information it requires, like length, weight, height, and it will calculate the volume of the cargo. Based on that, it will generate a price. So here I am giving the quantity, documents, let's say electronics, it will be today's date. And if I click on proceed details, then I can see information which are not editable. So here I can see the volume, the calculated value, and the order date, and tracking ID by which we can track our cargo and the total price. So if I click on make payment, then here I have to give the payment. So if I didn't give the accurate payment, then it will not work. It is saying that please pay given amount, so I need to give accurate amount. Now if I click on give payment, then it is saying that thank you for your payment, yes. And if I now go to my order, then I can see the information of the cargo which I already booked. And if I want to know where is the cargo, then I can track the cargo, and by which I can understand. Now it is saying that the status is pending. So now I will tell you the admin part. So let's go to a new browser and let's go to the admin part of the system. Here I need to give the mail and the password, and if I click on enter, then I can see that here is the accessible part of the admin. Here we can add another admin, add a new driver, and if I click on request order, then I can see the order which already requested by a customer. So if I go to see full details, then I can see the informations, the tracking ID, total price, and status is pending. So again, so first of all I need to book a driver for this order. So if I click on choose me a driver and click on book driver, then it is already booked, and we cannot book this driver for a new order, for a new place, until it is delivered to the destination. Then we can book this driver again. Then if I click on again request order and click on manage cargo, and if I say that status is processing and it is still in Russia, and I'm giving the current date, and if I submit status, cargo status updated successfully, and if I go to the customer part and track cargo, and here I can see that location Russia 29 April, status is processing. Again, if I tell that on the way it is on Tangail and that it is 30 April, then again if I go to customer pad and track the cargo, then I can see the location, date, and status is on way. And finally when I will give it delivered, and if I say that it is on already delivered the cargo, and if I again go to the customer part and track cargo, then I can see that yes, this cargo is already delivered. And if I go to my order, here I can also see the status is delivered. And here now I need to click on finish order. After delivered the cargo, it will no more in request order, it will go to finish order. Here I can see that yes, this cargo is already finished. Manage users, here I can manage the users or the customers for this system. And manage drivers, here I can give driver payment. So here the payment is done, and here I can manage the feedback for this cargo. As I give multiple feedbacks for the same name, there are same name multiple feedback, and if I want I can delete all the feedback. And here I can also see my admin profiles and can update my profile, and also can change password. And if I log out, then I will come to the main website. And also if as a customer I log out, then I can come to the main website. So that's all the system, it works. So thank you very much, and the source code is given to my GitHub account.